Today we're going to do a quick how-to on foam rolling your back. Here's the area that we'll be covering, and you'll notice that line begins above the low back. To get started, you want to slightly recline back onto your foam roller, placing it just above the low back to make sure that we're not mobilizing the lumbar spine. With fingertips slightly behind the head, you're going to recline onto your foam roller and let those elbows fall out wide. From there, we'll make small passes back and forth, working our way from that starting point above the low back up to the upper back. We want to look for any knots or particularly tender spots as we're moving. Once you've made it all the way to the top, work your way back down, covering any of those tender areas. Move on to rolling side bends for additional mobility. With the elbows wide and fingertips behind your ear, perform side bends. Bending side to transitioning now to the shoulder blades. Bring your elbows together in front of your face. Concentrate on the area between your shoulder blades, maintaining deep, steady breaths as you roll. Place the foam roller just above the low back. With arms slightly bent, extend back, exhaling as you reach down. Inhale, bring your body forward to reset. Feel free to re-roll any areas that need extra attention, especially after the back bend.